friends, today we'll talk about acid, bases and salts, which is being taken from class 7. In the second part of the chapter, we will focus on the test of the presence of acids and bases in their solution. For this, we need special type of substances which actually change their colors in the presence of acids and bases. These substances are called as indicators. Indicators are of two types. They can be natural or artificial. When we talk about natural indicator, the first one which comes in our mind is the turmeric. This is the most common thing which is being found in each and every home. Okay, so you can also do this very easily, and I have taken as a sample of acids the citric acid present in the lemon, and I have taken a small amount of detergent as the sample. So if I just talk about the base, my base is detergent and the acid is lemon. And to test the presence of acids and bases, to show you the presence of acids and bases, I am using a natural indicator, that is turmeric. Let us see how to use this turmeric and how to use the base. For this, children, remember to make the solution of the acid or base, whatever you are taking. Okay, so I am just making a solution of detergent here, so that my test comes very nicely in the solution. I will get a perfect test. And now I will add a small amount of turmeric. Here there is no need to make the solution of turmeric. I can use it in the powder form. I'm just putting a small amount of turmeric in this detergent. Just watch the change of color. Can you see the change of color? I just try to shake all so that it gives the perfect color in the base. Can you just see the change of color? It is in blood red. So the yellow turmeric changed into blood red in the base. Now same turmeric, let me just put it in the lemon. Now here there is no need to make the lemon solution, because already you can see there is a lemon juice present in this lemon. So I'm just putting directly small amount of turmeric on this lemon so that it can react with the lemon juice, that is a citric acid. Can you see here? Now just have a look. This is acid and this is base. Is there any color change in the acid? No. As you can see here, there is no color change of turmeric in the acid, and turmeric change into blood red in the base. So this is the turmeric test for acids and bases. The second indicator which I will take today is litmus. It is also very well given in your textbook. So I have taken two litmus paper, blue and red. Now let us see what is the change of this blue litmus paper in the given sample. For now acid, I have taken the sample of acetic acid, that is vinegar, commonly said as vinegar. And for base, let us take the same detergent powder. Let me now just make the solution of the detergent again, so that I can do the test easily. If you want, I can also use the same lemon which we have used for turmeric for the test of litmus also. Let us try that also. But I'm just making the solution of base, the detergent. You can take shampoo, anything else also. So let me just test with this paper. Let me take one strip and check it. What happens to the change? What happens to this strip when I dip it in the piece? Let us check. So this blue litmus is just getting wet. No difference. Now let me take the other strip and test the same blue litmus paper with the citric acid, the same lemon which we have tested with turmeric, and the turmeric had no change in the citric acid. But let me check about the litmus paper. What the litmus paper has. So you can just see this litmus paper when being dipped in the citric acid, it turns into red color. Can you see this? Beautiful red color. So blue litmus changed into red color. Let us double check it with the red litmus paper. I have litmus paper also. So let me just check what happens if I just put lead litmus to this citric acid. So when I just put the lead litmus on this citric acid and try to dip it in it, it just gets wet and there is no change. So in acids, the litmus paper, the red litmus paper has no change, while the blue litmus paper turns into red. You can also see here the turmeric also has no change in acids. So two tests are there. Turmeric no change, while blue litmus turns into red. Now the same red litmus paper, let me just dip it into the sample of vinegar. So let me just check in the vinegar also what the change it takes in vinegar. Of course, there is no change, and this gives a conclusion that this vinegar is also an acid, where red litmus has no change. But when we dip this lead litmus into the base solution, that is a detergent, we have taken as sample of detergent. Let us see what happens. So just check it out. Can you see this red litmus start changing into blue? Can you see this? Let me make other solution, more of the solution, so that I can dip it conveniently. I'll make it, yes. So here I have taken more solution of base and now dip the litmus here. And just have a look. So when I dipped red litmus into the solution of base, it turns into blue, while this red litmus was not having any change in the acids. So we can just learn this small blue and red litmus paper test with a very small acronym, like my students have made one acronym, Anila Banat. As Anila shows acid turns into Neela litmus paper into Lal, while Balani indicates that base turns Lal litmus to Neela. Is it easy and interesting? One of my students have made one more acronym like ABR, Amitabh Bachchan Rocks. And Amitabh Bachchan Rocks means, when I say Amitabh Bachchan Rocks, that is acid turns blue litmus to red. And opposite to this is base, which turns red litmus to blue. So here we can easily test the presence of acids and bases using the natural indicators. You can also try to test with the China rose solution, which gives pink color in acids and green color in base. Try this at home. Thank you for now, and I hope you enjoyed the learning. Bye-bye.